this is Samba, basic Samba. You guys want to learn with me? We are gonna start with our feet, but it's kind of about making our hips move. And so you're gonna take your weight, get kind of heavy, feel your weight. You're gonna shift your weight over to the side, over here. Right side, left side, right. And it's kind of like, you know, you're hanging out at a party, then you're standing over here, and then you shift your weight, stand over there. And eventually, you'll start to feel 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we bring it into the hips. We ideally want 3 hip switches. So we go here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da, da. Or you can think quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Either way, if your hips are moving, you're doing it right. And we can also take the foot back. We call it samba para trás, samba to the back. So take your right foot, take it back, and then shift forward and replace together. Left foot back, forward, together. Right foot back, together, left. And as you send your foot to the floor, send your hip with it. Hip goes, ha. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Good. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Daka chica, 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 da, ragadiga da da da. Awesome job, you guys. So you have now had your first Samba no Pé lesson. We call it Samba in the feet. So practice your fancy footwork, practice celebrating yourself. And if you want to learn more, go to sambafogo.com. We teach a lot of community classes for all ages, and we'd love to Samba with you some more.